Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. I have changed the chart a little bit, but it has not or does not really impact at all the forecast. Also in the last video, I actually had the wave 1 sit here, and I had the wave 1 start at the 30th of June low. I've changed things a little bit now, ultimately giving it a larger wave 1 with a 5-wave subwave structure and wave 5 of 1 as ending diagonal. It doesn't change at all the forecast. Also in the last video that I made yesterday for you, I highlighted ideally we're going to go to round about $100 or even a little lower, but need to stay above $94. Now, the forecast of going down further absolutely worked out and it hasn't changed at all. However, due to the generally the proportions of the subwaves of the pullback that I haven't shown here in detail, but due to the proportions and also just by looking at this entire, remember we talked about this entire Elliott Wave triangle here with the wave C, a wave D and the wave E that I have now ending on the 28th of June. That made me just do this small change. Now, how does that affect now the overall chart? Now, not much. However, it means that I have to give this wave 2 pullback a little bit more space. It doesn't mean it has to come down lower, but it means that I give it a bit more space. So it can drop a little lower until I change my stance to, okay, something more bearish is going on. So as you can see here, support is not $94 anymore. Support is now 88. I mean, I did that change before we even came close to 94, but nevertheless, I want to give you the infos that you need as soon as possible. I already updated earlier today on Discord and Telegram, but the idea is that we are coming back in a larger wave to pullback, and we have completed probably an A wave, then a B wave as a triangle. So I thought about, look, how is this B wave here or is it a triangle? And due to the size, it would have been a bit short with this spike there. So I think we're dealing with an Elliott Wave triangle here. But there are other interpretations. Actually, it needs to be here. Yeah, other interpretations are possible where that wave B ended, but it also doesn't matter too much. Now, and then obviously here within the C wave, a small wave 1, wave 2, and then another 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so we're now in the third wave of the C wave, likely. And this is going to head down lower as it seems. And next support is obviously the $100 level. I think in the previous wave count, the $100 level was the 50% retracement. It has now turned into the 38.2 retracement. Okay, so absolutely not a problem at all. Yeah, looking for a little bit of a deeper pullback. And if we now look at Fibonacci extensions, which we can use together with the retracement tool to identify a likely target, well, then what we can do, we take the length of the A wave, we go to the high of the B wave, and then also here the 1-to-1 ratio shows 98.50. So that obviously is sitting in our support area, might give you a bit of an idea where price might find some temporary support. And then not only that, but also here the 1.618 extension. That's interesting how that works together, because the 1.618 extension, golden ratio extension you can call it, is at $93. That's exactly where the golden ratio of the retracement is sitting. So you can see how the universe makes things match together in a harmonic way. So yeah, that's sort of the idea, that we could still go lower, and it would take, for me now, it would take a break above $109.50 for a first indication that the trend is moving up and that the third wave rally is starting. So essentially we're seeing that those deeper prices that we wanted to see, but we're widening the area a little bit in which price can come back in the current scenario before price should head higher. And that means I don't see anything really bearish on this chart until price breaks and sustains below $88. Okay, that's my update about Litecoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.